Hey babes, it's your girl Aurie Marie back with another video. If y'all want to see how I achieved this bomb if y'all want to see how I achieved this bomb, what is it called? If y'all want to see how I achieved this bomb flip over Quickweave, stay tuned. Clock it. Hey babes, it's your girl Aurie Marie back with another video. I know it's been a minute. I got a lot of content in the vault and y'all gonna get it soon because I don't even know where to start. But that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about me trying to do this Quickweave install because if y'all seen what was under this hat, jump scare. Very much giving.
Who the fuck did your hair? What? Nah.
Literally. So y'all, oh, I want to attempt to do a Quickweave. I want to do a flip over Quickweave. So I ordered these bundles off of Amazon. I'm gonna like put a picture of where I got them from on this. So I got these 3 bundles. I think I got, girl, I left the thing in my room. I got like an 18, 20, and 22 inch. And this 18 is looking real 14-ish. But I guess, go off sis. Y'all know I already be doing my reviews. So I did my research before I ordered these. And they got pretty good reviews. It is Amazon here. I'm not expecting nothing too crazy. But like, it did look really good. But I'm kind of nervous because like, is my leave out gonna match? But I also bought this curling one on Amazon. So we just gonna see. We just experimenting today. And like this summer, cause like, girl, Quickweave be like $100 now. Like, no ma'am, no thank you. Oh, here it is. Cause you don't know the net be on here. Oh, this feels really soft. My fingers through it. No tangles. Ooh. It's shedding already. It's kind of giving Jerry girl. Okay, it just shedded that little bit. But I'm guessing it's not gonna last. This is not gonna last long. Cause yeah, if I'm brushing it, it's shedding. But if I run my fingers through like this, ugh, and I really get my hair done, so we're gonna make it do what it do. I really hope this hairstyle eats though, because like I'm excited. And I'm gonna put me some lashes on. I'm not going anywhere. Well, next week I'm going out. Not even out of town. I'm just going back home. I do not call that out of town. Okay, like it's soft. It's just the fact that it's shedding. And I've seen that in the comments. But you know how some people be like hating on hair brands? It's soft, but yeah, these ends are a little. We don't see it through, I guess. And like they're thick wefts. I'll give them that. It's just that they need a little. I wonder if I like wet it first. I don't know, I'll probably wet it at the end. Oh. Okay. So long in the back, short in the front, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna have to start with these and then yeah. But I'm gonna go change my shirt because I don't want to get this white shirt messed up. I like this white shirt. And when I come back, I'm busy right now. Hello, can I call you back later? Like making a video. Hi, vlog. It's not a vlog. Yeah. Anyways, let's go change. When I come back, I'm gonna have braids. Y'all know I'm always changing my camera settings, so I don't be knowing what I be doing, y'all. I just be doing stuff. But y'all, it took me a little minute to find something because all my little shirts I don't care about are white. But I found this little Halloween shirt, so this is what we're gonna do. Anyways, my cousin, don't look at my edges, y'all. The last wig I had, I like snatched myself bald over here. A mess. But it's here to grow back. Anyways, my cousin did me a quick breakdown, and y'all don't come for her because the electricity went out in Houston, y'all. It was a tornado. It's just been a week and she still like did what she needs to do. So yeah, I'm about to start my mold down. I'm gonna sit under the dryer, y'all. I'm gonna take it all the way back. you need your wig cap. You should already know this, ladies. If you don't know, well, this is a tutorial, but ladies, get y'all a wig cap, please. And I'm gonna do 2. And I just seen this video. If y'all are familiar, like if y'all been on YouTube for a while, y'all should know Ivy. She I just watched one of her videos just for some little inspo, but she said she put it like right here. So normally I would put it all the way to the front, but she said put it right here. It's a little loose. And make sure your braid, like, you know, kind of like push it behind the braid. So it should look like this. Oh, y'all, don't look in my kitchen. It should look something like that. So there we go. And then we're gonna put another one on, and then we're gonna go under the dryer with got to be spread on so it can harden. So y'all don't be like me, losing y'all edges and hair. And then, so we're just gonna spray. Oh, I did not oil my scalp. Y'all, I be influenced off TikTok. I'm gonna put this virgin hair fertilizer on my hair. So hopefully it can grow while it's in this Quickweave. It does tingle, I'm not gonna lie. I was a little nervous because I'm like, why is my scalp tingling? But I posted on Twitter because I'm like, I just be buying stuff off TikTok. Like this one girl, she said it helped her hair journey. And so I'm like, oh, let me buy it or whatever, because I'm trying to grow my hair back out, but I want it to be like healthier. That's why I'm doing like this little style. And I'm probably gonna get some braids next month. Because I feel like, why cut your hair and then like still not take care of it? So now we're gonna put this cap back on, child. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this argan oil, like Quickweave protective cap. Don't look at my edges. And it's okay to get some on your part, cause it's just protecting. I feel like one thing I never do is really let this dry. Like I normally do a blow dryer. Okay, so now I'm back and it's all dry. So we about to get started. But I think I want to do like more music style. Let me make sure I got these bundles in order correctly.
Foreigner, 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 foreigner. Yeah, that my bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with an eater.
Trust the process for sure. I think if I like comb it out, it might look better. But y'all, I'm supposed to do like the U shape. It's not giving U shape, but long as I got like a space to start laying the track straight, I don't really care.
Two-seaters, new bitch wanna fuck on my AP. New freezer, I woke up thinking about pants. Hop over just to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with an eater. Two-seaters, new bitch wanna fuck on my AP. New freezer, I woke up thinking about pants. Hop over just to a check when I land. Money way, diamonds, flexing. I woke up rich, spending grip on a necklace. I put the plug on 3-way. Maserati, go speed race. Off a baby on a bitch face. More ice flexing this way. We put the world on the wave. Don't give a fuck cause I'm paid. More act in a lemonade. Pharmacy knowing my name. I bet that bitch she bougie. She shot my dick in a movie. Trap jumping like 2-3. She a foreign little free. My bitch is foreign in the visa. Foreigner, I don't need her. Foreigner, what it eat.
Okay, so now that the hair is like installed, y'all, let me just come on here. The hair, when it's wet, it's cute. I like it. Like, the way it came, I don't like it. But, like, the way it's drying, like, this is, like, cute. Like, I need to just wear it wet. Because it was giving very much beauty supply granny hair. That's what it was giving. But it just sheds. Like, look at this. It was kind of, like, big at first, too. But now it's, like, not so big. I wonder if I should, put some product on it. I like me. I feel like a Spanish out of Puerto Rican. And it's Rican. If it wasn't for the shedding, like, it's a nice curl. And this is just like,
New bitch wanna fuck on my AP. New freezer. I won't go think about pants. I won't go just do a check when I land. Bitch, 2 4 in the
bitch up, foreigner, and she love to fuck. She suck it up, make her fall in love. Put that on her tongue, perky on her tongue. She do them, walks for us, make her one of us. They guess I'm smoking, blowing, ice on my neck is snowing. I'm dark skin, glowing, off the perky I'm rolling. LA, parking, I'm screaming, I'm barking. They like Poppy, why you starting? Pop a perk, go retarded. They know I'm wrong and I need that respect. 700 grams, ice and baguettes. Pop smoke, niggas know I'm up next. Black keep on shooting until it's the left. I'm 8 I throw up the set. 20 years old, but I move like a fat. You talk like your mom, you better invest in the best. Nigga, cause you could get left. The bitch in the phone, huh? I fuck that pastor, show a difference between a dog and a master. Lamborghini truck flooring.